Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today, gonna create 4 super easy, greasy, oily, or dirty hairstyles. Today's version is curly one because today I have wavy hair. But if you want part 2 of these hairstyles for straight hair, let me know in comments down below. So let's get started. For our first, we want to select our hair, making a line beginning from our ear and bring it up like so. You want to use a brush and a comb to smooth out our half ponytail. If you have thinning hair like I have here, make sure to use some eyeshadow to retouch it so nobody will see it. Guys, if you have a cream or oil, make sure to use it to make everything nice and smooth. Also, at the end, you can use some hairspray to fix well in place your baby hair. We want to make our half up ponytail like that. Also, I decided to make it a little more dramatic, so I used another elastic to make it higher, but that's optional. Then I'll use a small strand of hair from the back of our ponytail and I'll wrap it all around our elastic to hide it. And then I'll tuck it into the elastic in the back like so and use some hairspray to fix it well in place. Like that. Done. For the second hairstyle, we want to select again our top ponytail like we did before with our first hairstyle, like that. We want to bring it forward and then you want to select another section right behind first one like that and tie it. Now we want to divide into two our first section, bring second ponytail through the middle and bring it forward like that, add more hair and tie it. Pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous, and then again you want to divide into two your second ponytail, bring third one through the middle and add more hair and tie it. Yes, this is a Dutch braid. We want to continue it until we have no more hair to add. Now we want to grab all hair left and we want to tie the ends like the middle of my length. You just adjust it to your length. Now you want to bring it up underneath and tuck it into the elastic of our last ponytail. You want to pull it, creating this voluminous bun and pin it from the sides. Use some hairspray if you need. Pull a little more your braid if you like this look and you're done. For our third hairstyle, we want to make a middle straight parting. Measuring it with your hand, you want to brush the rest backward. Guys, here you have to smooth out your hair so well, so use as much cream and oil as you have actually. So you have to use a lot of it like I'm showing. You want to use a brush and then a comb to smooth out everything and tie a very low ponytail. Guys, if you have lots of baby hair, use some hairspray. Now you want to grab our ponytail, divide it into two, use again some cream to make everything nice and smooth. And you want to bring one of your section like I'm showing, rolling using your fingers like that and use some long bobby pins to fix it from both sides like that. Now you want to grab the ends of this section and wrap it around the ponytail and pin it. Then you want to grab your second section and you want to twist it and wrap it opposite way and pin it in place, and your sleek bun is ready. Now for our higher bun, we want to again make a straight parting, but this time you want to make a middle or a higher ponytail, but make sure to fix parting like I'm showing. You want to tie a middle or a higher ponytail like I'm showing. Divide into two your ponytail, and you want to twist it one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to twist, and you want to tie using a hair elastic. Then you want to wrap it around your ponytail and pin it in place. Use some hairspray if you need, and you're done. This reminds me of a ballerina bun. I don't know why, but I like it so much. Tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more hair tutorials. But that's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!